Have you ever noticed that whenever someone asks, "How's your morning going?" most people just say, "It's fine." But there are so many better and more natural ways to answer that question. Welcome back to day 5 of Shadow Practice. Let's speak together. If your morning is going really well, you can say, "I am off to a great start." Or, "I am feeling amazing today." If you feel fresh and energetic, "I am full of energy this morning." And when everything is calm and smooth, so far, so good. Now let's talk about those difficult mornings. If you are extremely tired, "I'm running on coffee." If your morning feels stressful and busy, "It's been pretty hectic." And when absolutely everything seems to be wrong, "It's been one of those mornings." Or, "I woke up on the wrong side of the bed." And honestly, these expressions sound much more natural than repeating "it's fine" again and again. So, next time someone asks, "How's your morning going?" try one of these responses instead. That's all for today. I'll see you in day 6 of Shadow Practice. Until then, bye bye.